There's an interesting market situation of VT1S index, and I would want us to have a market analysis on this index price action, basically analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lowest time frame. So coming to the weekly time frame on VT1S index, we can tell that this index has been consolidating for some time now, right? Consolidation is when the market is creating equal highs and equal lows, when the market is not trending. We can't say the market is in an uptrend or the market is in a downtrend. The market is just in a range, right? So we got the highs and lows of this index here. We got the highs at this point and we got the lows at this point. So this is the market structure currently on the weekly time frame. Market is in a range, creating equal highs and equal lows. And on this equal highs and equal lows structure, we got price create this mini uptrend and mini downtrend in them. So currently there was a break out of this mini uptrend. There was a breakout of this mini uptrend, and you can tell that price is trying to start heading to the downside to give a test of these lows, this consolidation lows, right? So likely to get price sell to the downside. That's the expectation according to the market structure on the weekly time frame on this index. You're likely to get price sell to the downside because it has completed this uptrend move to this consolidation resistance level, right? So how do we approach this market? How do we look at for trade opportunities on this index? Coming to the daily time frame, basically we can see that there was a break of trend. We had a previous trend, which is price being an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. This is the market's direction, basically. This is the market structure on the daily time frame on VT1S index. So we can see that this index has been in an uptrend for a very long time. Now let's check how long this index has been an uptrend. Since the 3rd of June 2023, this index has been an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. So let's identify this market structure. Let's spot it using our trend line. So right, let's mark up our trend support and our trend resistance. So we got our trend support at this point and we got our trend resistance at this point, right? So this is market structure on the daily time frame on VT1S index. We got the highs and lows of this index. Let's spot it. Basically we got price create a low at this point. There was a low formation at this zone, right? Then we got another low, but a higher low. Let's identify it as well. We got another low at this point. We got another low as well at this zone. So this is how market has been moving an uptrend, creating this market structure, creating this bullish market structure. We got another low at this point, a higher low, right? And we got the last low at this point, a higher low. And we got the highs of this index as well. We got the first high here and we got the second high at the zone, a higher high, would say. So this is market structure on the daily time frame on VT1S index, and it's clearly seen that there was a break of trend. Basically there was a break of trend at this point, and whenever there is a break of trend, you're likely to get price reverse direction. You're likely to get price change its trend to the opposite direction. So in this uptrend we have levels and zones which you have to identify. We have this level as a key level. Basically, let's clear this thing. We have this level as a key level because you can see the price reacted on this level as a resistance. There was a reaction on this level as a resistance at this point. There was a break above it. Resistance broke, returned to support. Market retested this level and bought to the upside. Got a buy here as a support, right? Support as well at this point, on which we got the last higher low formation this index formed. Then we got this break to the downside. So there's a possibility that if price can push up to the downside, come test this key level of resistance, would say, because it was previously a support at this point. If price can push up to this level, we're likely to get price sell from this current price level to the downside. So that's my view on this index. Likely to get the buys to this key level of resistance for the sales in the coming days and hours on VT1S index. So the reason why this index is buying from this level is because we have a key level of support at this point, and we can see that there was a test of this level. Firstly, we got the first test on this level, so support, would say resistance at this point, support here, support here. So price sold back to the downside to come test this same level, because if you can get the first test on it as a support, the second test on it as a support, the third test on it as a support, there's a possibility that we are to get the fourth test on it as well as a support. So if price can test this level, then reverse back to the upside to come test this identified key level, we're likely to get the sales from these points to the downside. So that's my view. I'm bringing up our Fibonacci 2 for more confirmations from the swing highs to the swing lows. Let's check if this identified level is a good level to look at for trade opportunities on. And we can see that this is 1.8 level. Let's put this properly here to here, right? So we can see that the 50.0 level and the 61.8 level is matching up with this identified sell zone, right? So let's watch out for this index to move to this level for us to get the sells on it. So coming to the 4-hour time frame, right? Coming to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is already creating this lower high structure. We got the first highs at this point, right? Got the first highs at this point. We got the second highs at this zone, a lower high. This is a bearish formation basically. So if price can manage to push to the upside to this identified level, you're likely to get the sells to the downside. So that's my view on this index. I'm looking out for sell opportunities from this level. So watching close on market price action on this zone to short this index. Watching close on market price action on this level to short this index. Let's change the color of this. Let's fill it up and make it orange, right? So let's watch out for this level to short this index in the coming days and hours. So that's it, guys. That's my market analysis and view on the VT1S index. Let's watch out for short-term buy opportunity to this level to sell this index long term. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more market analysis like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chill me slot, guys. Let's do more and you have enough day.